In Illinois, Tuesday's Rock Island County drive-through vaccine clinic resulted in long lines as people tried to get the vaccine.
There is nothing easy about this vaccination process, from the distribution from the federal government to the state governments to the county health departments and finally into your arms.
The state of Illinois is beginning phase 1B of its vaccine distribution schedule. It includes those 65 years or older and remaining healthcare workers. Rock Island County is also dealing with a limited supply from state and federal partners and only received 1,000 doses this week.
Phase 1B includes about 65,000 people in Rock Island County, and Phase 1A was about 8,000 people. Our total population is 143,000 people. So this is the bulk of our population.
Now, both county health departments continue to ask for patience as they work to get everyone vaccinated. They say although it could take a bit, your time to get vaccinated will come. In the Quad Cities, Spencer Mackey, TV6 News.